Dr. Mohammad Anchani Kurchi.
Now, the Director of Revenue Intelligence caught drugs worth heroin worth 21,000 crores. 3,000 kgs of heroin was caught. At which port? Mundra port in Gujarat. Imagine, you all have heard of 100 or 10 kgs, 20 kgs. 3,000 kgs were caught at the Mundra port owned by Gautam Adani on the 21st of September. Did you hear any discussion on this? Have you seen anything much on televisions? I mean, this is huge. Imagine the amount. And it's worth 21,000 crores. But this is not the thing. And where is it coming from? It says the heroin was found in two containers that landed at the Mundra port from Afghanistan via Iran, exported by a company in Afghanistan called Hassan Hussain Limited, and imported in the name of Ashi Trading Company of Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And how has it come? Has it come as heroin? It has come as semi-cut talcum powder. That was what was written on it. And that is coming into our country. Now just imagine if 3,000 kgs have come in, do you think it is the first time it's coming in? Because normally any port, when they're smuggling drugs, it would be 100. First they start with 10 kgs. You all know what drugs are. Goa has had issues with drugs and all those things. But 3,000 means there has to be political patronage. Somebody in some political party has to know about it. Now, this is not the first time. In June, just imagine how many kgs of cocaine was caught. 25,000 kgs. Not 3,000 now, 25,000 kgs worth 1,70,000 crore was smuggled. That was not caught. That's come into our country. And let's understand that it is coming from Afghanistan, these drugs. Now, I don't, and who's caught the thing? It is the Director of Revenue Intelligence. But I don't hear, where is CBI? Where is the Customs Department? Where is the Narcotics Control Bureau of India, NCB? You must have heard NCB last year a lot, all you journalists. Why? In the Sushant Singh Rajput case, where they got some 59 grams of marijuana. And there was a huge hue and cry all over. You could see NCB catching some actors, putting some assistant of Sushant Singh Rajput in jail. But that was for what? Marijuana and 57 grams. I'm asking, why is the NCB not active now? Because what is the function of the NCB is to catch the main drug which comes into our country. Once it gets in, it can go anywhere. Those are the small people. But we need to catch the main guys, how it gets into the country. The other question we ask, why isn't this Mundra port not being investigated? Why is Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah quiet on this? We haven't heard a word from the Prime Minister. This is a lot of money. One important thing we have to understand also, this Narcotic Control Bureau of India has not had a head for the last 18 months. So doesn't it have a head? And let's all understand now another thing. Who is in charge of Afghanistan? It's a terrorist organization called Taliban. So Taliban is earning out of this. And this can cause a very important thing. They can fund terrorist organizations in India. They can fund separatist movements in India. It can cause political instability in India because this is huge amount of money. And also, these drugs come into states like Goa. You know, Goa is a very open atmosphere. You get whatever you want. It can criminalize the youth. Our youth's lives are going to get destroyed. You can get a lot of criminal elements. We have heard so many stories in the last couple of months. So, why isn't the government of India not taking strong steps? Why isn't there a head for the Narcotics Bureau of India? Why is it quiet? I don't see anything. And also reporting in the media. Have you heard anything of this? Any of this information? Maybe you must have heard one or two stories. So, a serious point of concern has been, like I mentioned, these drugs are coming from Afghanistan. And also, recently, Gujarat has been the main hub. And we know that that is the home state of the Home Minister as well as the Prime Minister of India. So instead of taking this opportunity to launch a national offensive against the drug cartel, the government of India has maintained pin drop silence. The Congress party demands that the drug nexus operating from Adani's Mundra port be investigated by a commission comprising of 2 sitting Supreme Court judges. Until the drug cartel is behind bars, there is a huge threat to India in its internal security, in terms of getting our youth addicted to this drug, in terms of criminalization of many of our youth. So we need this thing sorted. We need answers and we need an investigation into how this amount of drugs has got into this country. Never in the history of India has this amount of drug. And also, this also said another important point is that privatization of ports. We know that recently they want to privatize our national ports. Now, this is a private port, and this is what's going to happen. They can do whatever they want when the port is private. So we demand that there should be a Supreme Court monitored probe in this. This is a serious case, and you know that a state like here, the Bharatiya Janata Party is promoting it. They are promoting, this is what we understand, that they are promoting the spread of drug culture in India and getting money out of it. Unless they speak against this, that is what one understands, that the present government here also wants it in Goa. And Goa is a state where it can be misused. You know that very well. All of you all are from Goa, and nobody wants this sort of thing in Goa. Criminal elements increase, drug cartels increase because it is easy money. See, कोई बिना पॉलिटिकल पेट्रनेज से कैसे हो सकता है, आप बता दीजिए. इतने बड़े माल आ रहा है, इतना केजीज आ रहा है इस देश पे, हाँ. और आप सोचिए, पहले तो उन्होंने कोशिश किया होगा 100 केजी से, 200 केजी से. जब इतना माल आ रहा है, पुलिस को पता होगा या वहां के जो बीजेपी का ही है राज वहां गुजरात में, इसीलिए तो जरूर बिना पॉलिटिकल पेट्रनेज से इतना बड़ा माल नहीं आ सकता. और इसीलिए हमको जान चाहिए, क्योंकि ये राष्ट्र सुरक्षा के मामला है. हमारे बच्चे हैं, उनके ऊपर वो जो ड्रग एडिक्ट्स हो जाते हैं उसका मामला है. और जो पैसा मैंने कहा है वो जा रहा है तालिबान को. तो ये एक बहुत बहुत अहम मुद्दा है और आप लोगों को इसके बारे में लिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ये स्टेट है वो बीजेपी के हाथ में है अभी. और इस स्टेट में आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे ड्रग्स भी आ जाते हैं, है ना. और जब ड्रग्स ज्यादा होता है तो क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स भी हो जाता है, ड्रग कार्टेल शुरू हो जाता है. वो नहीं चाहिए. तो हमको पहले ही इसकी जांच करना है और खत्म करना है, क्या है, कहाँ से आ रहा है. प्रधानमंत्री को इस मुद्दे के ऊपर बात करनी है और हमको बताना है कि क्या हो रहा है.